Hello, everyone. So, today I just thought about talking on the topic risk associated with AI adoption. So, I think you might have read a lot about how AI adoption can help your top line by creating new services, new offerings for your clients, and bottom line as well by optimizing your cost, by finding better ways to do things with less manual efforts and more automation. But there is a big elephant in the room which we have been trying to ignore so far, but already the top notch consulting firms and big companies have realized and are being proactive in taking care of it. So, just wanted to call upon your attention on these some of the risk that comes with when you adopt AI in your business. The first one is financial risk. So, I think you might have read so many places and people promising that if you use this model, your customer retention can go by 5% or you can have 20% more conversion from your websites. But what if there are some models which are not properly validated or audited or not applied in the right manner? They might be causing at same time loss as well, which is directly related to your financial risk. So you have to think about that aspects of the thing. The second one is operational risk. What if some of your models are so important in your features or offerings that if they go down or if they start doing something which is not uh, intended for them to do, there is operational risk. Think about, there is a front facing application which do loan processing for you, and for some reason this specific algorithm goes down or start predicting randomly or not controlled for any variable, and that will bring a huge operational risk for you because the whole service offering can go down for substantial period of time. The third one is a legal risk. So I think it's very important to understand that if you have embedded AI in any form in your offering, legally, the people who are using this offering will always have an alternate view to it. So what your machine is predicting may not be acceptable directly and could be challenged in courts as well. You know, what's the reason that I applied for this insurance and it quoted me $260 per month as premium, but when I went it and did it through an agent, it cost me only 240. What's the difference? Why it is happening? And legal risk also involves a privacy risk as well, because a lot of data churning starts happening and a lot of important and personalized data is getting floating around, which poses a huge risk. So that it can be combined into legal risk. Then there is a compliance risk. So I think it's very important to understand with GDPR being implemented across Europe. It's not that straightforward that you can simply pick up some data, build some model, and do prediction on top of it. And just not about GDPR, all other countries have their own frameworks around it, and the compliance risk is going to go up, which can impact directly your financial health, your market reputation, and not only that, it can get you into a serious regulatory issues as well. So as you go along with AI adoption, it's very important that you start preparing for this different kind of risk that this will come up with. And it's very important that you start preparing it right now by having the right documentation in place, having the right transparency, all the teams working together, having the visibility, making sure that whatever you are doing with your models and processes is very clear to everyone. So hope I got your attention here. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.